everyone, welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're here in the kitchen again with Chef Kelly for the recipe of the week. And it looks like we might have some deer meat, am I correct?
You are absolutely correcto.
Yay.
Yeah. So today we're going to be making a Thai yellow curry with venison shoulder meat and some Yukon Gold potatoes.
Okay.
Okay.
Makes good use of that shoulder meat.
Yeah, absolutely. A great stew meat to use.
Okay.
And speaking about that, we're going to go ahead and get that started right now.
Okay, you get that going right now.
Right now.
Hot pan.
Hot pan. Ready to go. Throwing our beautiful...
About how much of that?
This is about 12 ounces.
Okay.
And the reason why I picked 12 ounces was because I wanted to pick something that's going to not overcrowd. And it's also a good, like, two-person kind of a size. There we go.
I don't know if that would feed me and Dwayne, though.
What?
Because I eat way more than him.
I would never know.
Yeah.
Okay, so, you know, typically meat will give off its own fat. Well, this is super lean venison, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, let it get a good crust there.
Is that your deer?
Not mine. This is actually Dwayne's blacktail, I believe.
Yeah.
And I was testing out some this morning. I was like, I hope he has some more of this.
So how long does that take on there?
It wasn't like 45 seconds. I mean, you see, we're getting great color. That's why we start with a nice hot pan. Okay, so now we can add our onion right now.
All right.
That's good. Okay, you can take, oh, that's one. Trying to jip me here. That's about half of a yellow onion. Okay, so we're going to be making yellow curry, and this is a fantastic product. I love this Mapoy brand, and this is a very restaurant staple right here. This brand right here.
Okay.
And it has everything in it that you need. I mean, it has galangal, lemongrass, shallots, curry powder, you know, turmeric. I mean, it's got everything you need. Boom.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just gonna just kind of dilute it down with a little bit of
so you don't
water.
want it chunky, huh?
Yeah. Awesome. We're getting great color. Right. Yeah. Just dilute it down with a little bit of water so that I don't get any chunks in there. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, so add that to that was about 1/3 cup of curry paste. And you can just kind of play with it, you know, you have some experience with it. I would say that, it would be like 3 out of 10 on its heat level. So it's got a little spice to it.
Okay.
So, you know, you're going to have to just, you know, play around with what your spice level is.
Is this expensive, Chef?
No, like $5 for that. And it's
okay.
Yeah, and it lasts a long time. Okay, so I'm adding 1 can. Oh, there you go. 1 can full fat coconut milk.
Full fat.
Yes, don't jip me on this.
I know, I almost bought you the low sugar stuff and
oh my God.
I put it back.
Good, good.
I heard you in my head going, no, Sherry.
Okay,
you know better than that.
So we're going to let that simmer for about 45 minutes.
Okay.
Covered, and then we're going to add our potatoes and then cook till done. So you know you don't want to add your potatoes all in one shot. I know it's tempting, but if you know your potatoes are mush and your beef, your venison is still not done, you know, we're not doing.
So you want to wait for
let's wait on
half an hour before you put them
minimum,
in there?
Yeah, minimum.
Okay.
Yeah, because I think I cooked that for about 45 minutes at least until it started getting tender.
Yeah.
And then then I added that to it.
So you already started it this morning.
This morning. So I started it, and so here I already have it done, and you can see the viscosity of it. But yours may not be like this because it was kind of liquidy. So I pulled out some of those potatoes, mushed them up, threw it back in there, and I got that.
Oh, so it's thicker and
Yeah, it's a lot
okay.
more less soupy.
The consistency
Yeah.
of it is thicker. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna start plating, and so I have
Wow.
some jasmine rice right here.
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Here you go. Oh, thank you.
You're
The
welcome.
spoon.
Okay.
Now, the only thing that you did not see me do was also put fish sauce in it, which is very traditional.
Oh yeah.
With your curries. Also, some people like to put a little bit of brown sugar in theirs. It's all your personal taste.
Okay. And the fish sauce adds a lot of salt.
It adds salt and then a
Okay.
little bit of. If you hear people say umami, that they
Umami?
Yeah, umami
Okay.
is a term.
Umami.
Umami. Sure, God. You ever heard these? Yeah, these guys started talking about umami. Fish sauce is one of those umami ingredients.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, here's your venison potato Thai yellow curry. Yeah, and you can actually see. And we'll take some of these. You can see this. It just falls apart.
Oh wow.
See that?
Ooh, I'm gonna
So-
dig into that. Yes. Okay.
Delicious too.
Licking your fingers.
Yeah.
Don't put them back in there.
Oh.
Okay, while we dig in, we're gonna go ahead and throw it back to you guys in the studio.